Now we have a sum from the CBSE board of trigonometry 9.1, sum number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, we have this building AB, which is of 7 meter. From its top, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation to the top of a cable tower. So CD is your cable tower. From this top to the top of the cable tower, the angle of elevation is how much? 60 degree. So for that purpose, you have to drop a perpendicular first. You have to get the horizontal line so that you get the angle of elevation PAC as 60 degree. Then the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. If this is the top of the tower, then D is the foot of the tower. So the angle of depression will be PAD, which is of 45 degree. Okay. You have to find out the height of the tower. Now, if you have a look at the figure, quadrilateral PDBA is a rectangle. And if it is a rectangle, then the opposite sides are congruent. AB will be equal to PD, that will be equal to 7 meter. Okay. Now, angle PAD will be equal to angle ADB because they are alternate angles for PA parallel to DB. So, this angle will be of 45. So, we can use 1045 to get DB. We will use 1060 to get CP because we have PA. We will get PA as you get DB. Fine. So, in given we have written AB is your building which is of 7 meter. CD is the tower. Angle PAC is the angle of elevation which is of 60 degree. Angle PAD is the angle of depression which is equal to 45 degree. Now what do we have to find out? You have to find out the height of the cable tower, that is this length CD. We consider the quadrilateral. As I told you, it is a rectangle. If it is a rectangle, then AB will be equal to PD is equal to 75. Now this angle PAD is equal to ADB. They are 45 each because they are alternate angles. Okay. Now, so in right triangle, which right triangle? ABD. This right triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, angle ADB is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, 1045. 10 ratio is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is DB. This is your opposite AB. Adjacent is DB. The opposite, that is AB upon DB. 1045 is 1. AB you have 7 meter C. So DB will be 7 meter only. So DB is equal to 7 meter. Okay. Now if DB is 7 meter, if this DB is 7 meter, then PA will also be 7 meter because opposite sides of a rectangle. Okay. So therefore PA is equal to DB is equal to 7 meter. Opposite sides of a rectangle. Now actually it becomes a square because the adjacent sides are of same length. 7 and this is 7, this is 7, this is 7. So quadrilateral will become a square. Afterwards we have to say, initially we took it as a rectangle. Now we come to this triangle CPA. In right triangle CPA, which angle is of 60 degree? Angle CAP is equal to 60 degree. So 1060. 1060 will be again opposite. Opposite is CP, adjacent is AP. 1060 means root 3. CP you have to find out. AP is nothing but, see, this AP is 7. So therefore CP will be equal to 7 root 3 meter. What do we have to find out? We have to find out length CD. So this CD is made up of CP plus PD. So we write now. CD is equal to CP plus PD. Segment addition property you can write. Now your CP is 7 root 3 and your PD, that is 7. See, this PD is 7. Okay. So here you will have, you take out 7 common. So you're left out with root 3 plus 1. So that is your length CD, 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter.